I used to ride Harley-Davidson motorcycles for years, rode my own, and that was a lot of fun, but the wind, the elements took a big toll on my skin. Tired, I looked aging. I had a very, very saggy, I call it a turkey waddle throat, very prematurely aged, probably from the motorcycling and the dry Colorado climate. My husband was against it because he thought I looked fine, but I said, you gotta understand, it's for me. And I have to know and feel like I'm still going to put my best foot forward in my later years as I did in my younger years. And I just want to look and feel good. Came to Dr. Lucas because he had done some work for a friend of mine, and she looks amazing. And I definitely wanted to look into Dr. Lucas, and I'm glad I did. He showed me a lot of before and after pictures of ladies that had done what I wanted to do. And I said, that's it. The other doctor had shown me those pictures, but Dr. Lucas had a lot more pictures, and I saw exactly what I wanted done, and these women looked so good and so happy in their after photos. And the staff here is amazing. These ladies make you feel comfortable. And I was afraid, because let's face it, it's a big step. I'd do it again. I'd do it again, but the gals here made me feel so comfortable. The nursing staff, Dr. Lucas, the administrative staff. I interviewed the doctor. I walked out. I said, I'll be in touch. I walked out the door, and I turned around and I came back and I said, let's book the surgery. You look and you see, I don't have a turkey waddle anymore. I don't have the jowls anymore. I don't have the puckery lips that I had, and some of these age spots are even gone. And then you start appreciating what you've done.